Imagine discovering a hidden gem that was supposed to be exclusive to a certain brand, but turns out you can enjoy it too. That's exactly what happened with Google Journal, a sleek and straightforward diary app that initially seemed destined only for Pixel 10 users. But guess what? You can install it on your Samsung Galaxy or any other Android device, and it's worth giving a shot. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that the app's true potential is unlocked only on Pixel 10 devices, thanks to its AI features. So, is it still worth it for non-Pixel users? Let's dive in. Google Journal isn't available on the Play Store for everyone, but it comes pre-installed on the Pixel 10. Despite this, the app isn't locked to Google's hardware, and you can easily install it on other Android phones. Here's how. 1. First, you'll need a split APK installer. APKMirror installer is a reliable choice, so download it from the Play Store using this link, APKMirror installer. 2. Open your web browser and head over to the Google Journal listing on APKMirror. Google Journal on APKMirror. Click the orange Download APK Bundle button. 3. Once the download is complete, open APKMirror installer and navigate to the Browse Files section. Locate the journal installation file in your download folder, identified by the green APKM logo. Tap it, then select Install Package. 4. APKMirror installer includes ads, so you'll have to watch an ad or subscribe to remove them. I recommend watching the ad and proceeding with the installation. 5. After the ad, a pop-up will ask if you want to install Google Journal. Tap Install to proceed. 6. Once the installation is complete, tap Open App to start journaling. And this is the part most people miss. Even without the AI features, Google Journal excels at the basics. The app's simplicity is its strength, making it perfect for those who just want to jot down their thoughts without getting bogged down by unnecessary features. My colleague Joe, for example, decided against using the app because of the AI-driven writing prompts, which are currently exclusive to the Pixel 10. On non-Pixel devices, you get an AI-free experience, which some might prefer. While more advanced journaling apps offer features like habit tracking, multi-journals, and voice notes, Google Journal's minimalist design is refreshing. Apps like Notion and Obsidian, though powerful, can sometimes feel overwhelming when you just want to write. Google Journal, with its Material 3 expressive design, strikes a balance between functionality and ease of use. But don't limit yourself to just journaling. Google Journal can serve as a travel log, a brain dump tool, a food log, or a project record. Its flexibility means you can adapt it to fit your needs, whether you're planning a trip, tracking your diet, or documenting a project. However, if you're looking for more robust features, there are plenty of alternatives to consider, and this is where the debate heats up. And some users might find Google Journal lacking in comparison to other options. Here are a few popular alternatives. Habitica. This app gamifies your daily tasks and habits, making it a great companion to Google Journal. Habitica. https //co 9mctaw. Focused on mood tracking and daily activities, Daylio is a colorful and user-friendly alternative. Daylio, https dmtqhp. Journey, a more feature-rich journal app with tagging and a built-in mood tracker. Journey at Day 1 is ideal for collaborative journals. Day 1 offers custom writing templates and a clean interface. Day 1 at Day 1. Notion, highly adaptable and customizable, Notion can be tailored to your specific journaling needs. Notion.androidauthority.com/Notion offline mode versus Obsidian 359023. In the end, whether you choose Google Journal or another app depends on your personal preferences. If you value simplicity and a clean interface, Google Journal is a solid choice. For those who want more features, the alternatives listed above are worth exploring. What do you think? Will you give Google Journal a try, or do you have a favorite journaling app? Share your thoughts in the comments below.